No, please one more time. Okay, one more time.
Okay.
என்னோட கண்ணு குட்டி என்னோட மல்லு கட்டி ஏன் மார்பில்
Okay, my turn.
Where are you going?
Home going.
By going.
Because we're gut here no doing work.
No going.
So going home doing work.
Look at Vic. Fucking kid, do not fucking throw.
That's not mine.
See, look at this shit. Look at this shit. Look at this. He called this office.
Right, time is close to 4 in the morning, and we're just about to start recording. Like, we're gonna record with Pritu's machine. Look at the setup, man. You don't need good ass studios and shit. Perempuan tu ayam. Bila dia kwek, kau jantan membungkuk. Pengangkatan Adni, dia ada pampi.
I think you should mention Pak Hitam's name.
Yeah, in the beginning.
Okay.
Like he said in a big shock,
Yeah.
and Pak Hitam.
Yeah, okay.
Letup, boom. Ayah kau 4-4 dan dia masa panggil untuk lukis. Fucking hell, man. Get back to work, man. So we just went to Ajimal, but like chicken was not served, so we decided to leave. But the thing is that Pritu went to the toilet, so we decided to leave Pritu behind and shit. When he comes, he leave.
Just go. I don't think he'll look at the car.
Jumanji is back.
Bye, Pedro.
Just want you to see it.
Pedro saw us.
Baseball cap.
Like burger guy, like we're all like burger guy looking at that shit. Triggered. RM 1 per hour for use of electricity. Soon they charge for oxygen also. Right, so time's about 2 PM and it's time to wake up, boy. Let's go. It's finally the day I'm gonna get myself my own car with my own money. So which means like
your YouTube money.
my YouTube money is gonna go, everything's gonna go there. And because it's such a big day for me, I'm bringing all my boys along with me and shit. Okay, so my car is finally here. Look at that, man. It's so tinted I can't even see shit. How do I open the shit, man? Okay, first of all, holy shit, look at that, man. No, big, stop. Yo, I think it's gonna be down. Why is this one down? For sports cars, it's damn slow, man.
Big.
Okay, guys, like some famous DJ. Nice of you. Alright, so I'm in character and shit. I'm introducing a new character for you guys. And this is like my car, man. Like, we're gonna start shooting and shit. Oh, Pritu! Look at your chocolate nipples, man. It's damn uncomfortable.
See what inside.
Oh, pants. Ita was not wearing pants, right?
Say like that.
No, bodoh. This one lah. See?
Hey, smile lah.
Fake, smart.
This car has sponsored my company lah. So if you guys free or something, you nothing to do, just don't forget to download the application lah.
2 tambah 2 4 tolak 1 3 mek cepat. Tiap hari laki sibuk. Bisa pokok. Tengok awet tu teman. Perempuan tu ayam. Bila dia kwek, kau jangan membungkuk.
We're revolutionizing the dance industry.
Revolutionizing.
Think about it, look at how natural I am.
You actually are. It is not funny, that's sad.
We're hijacking Vikar's camera now.
Oh, this is his?
Yeah. Say whatever you want to, Vic.
Vikar needs to shave.
Vikar needs a Brazilian wax.
Oh, yeah, he does it.
Yeah.
Content ideas.
What are you doing, Vic?
I'm gonna take my new car home.
Huh?
Taking my new car home. The shoot is like done already. We are going to go home.
Pak Hitam.
I'll pay you.
Skid it up.
I'll pay you 3 million.
Oh, 3 million.
3, 2, 1, roll. hitam.
Betul.
Oh, full. Vic, how's the experience? It's. I felt the car talking to me. Shut up. Okay, it's a wrap with the car. It's gonna be a dope ass.
You and your car, you and my car.
What do you want with my car again?
My car.
Stand in front of my car. Lu murah punya kereta kita tarakan lo. Lu murah punya kereta. Lu murah punya kereta.
They think we are fighting behind.
Eh, lancau lah. Alright, it's a wrap. Finally, time's about 8:20. Huge thanks to Marisha and Sonia for coming. Matu and to Nam and
to what's his name?
and Pritu mixed the song lah. Haven't mixed yet, but like here. Alright, time's about 9 PM. I'm at One Utama. The thing is that I'm here for the Pitch Perfect 3 movie premiere. It's supposed to be at 8:30. It's already 9. Look at this shit, man. And then let's see this go. The luxurious lifestyle.
It's not quite perfect, but it's ours.
Do this. Your legs like that. There's a pool. Luxurious lifestyle. Hopefully these durians are good. The last time I did this was all bad. My god. Anyways, my review on Pitch Perfect 3, I felt like there was no build up at all. Like there was no climax, there was no build up. It was just a super flat movie. But it was good entertainment. Fat Amy as usual, she's funny as hell. Would I recommend you to go and watch it in the cinema? Nope. Tak pernah panas. Skrak, skidikak-kak, letup. 2 tambah 2, 4. Tolak 1, 3, match cepat. Tiap hari laki di blok. Hisap pokok. Tengok awet lu